Page 38, Santa Claus is Coming to Town. It's a fun piece. 4/4 time, so we're counting to 4. There's 4 counts in a measure, and the quarter note gets a count. That's fine, we've done that before. I see there is at least one C sharp in here, so we're going to use at least one black key, otherwise they're all white keys. At the beginning, there's only one beat there. We're coming in on beat 4. The first 3 beats are at the end of page 39, at the last measure. Okay. And so let's just check this one hand at a time, make sure we got the fingering and the rhythm and all that. Right hand, you're starting here. Not going to stay here, but you're starting here. That's 4 and 1 and 2. And now already the 1/2 finger. We changed hand positions already. Okay. 3 and. Because we had the C. Then we got to reach back down to the E. We're coming back down. Then they want you to use 3rd finger. Going to measure 5 here. I don't recommend that. This is, no, just don't. Good grief. I would prefer, if you're on measure 4 here, on the 2 Fs, remember we can use repeated notes to change hand positions. Well, on the half note, use 4th finger. Here. This way you're in position for 3rd finger. Down to the B. We ended up clear down here. We started here and went here and went here and then moving around. Okay. Measure 11. We're still down here now. 3rd finger. Rest. Rest some more. Pick up to measure 15. There's the accidental. 2nd finger's on the C. We'll use it on the C sharp. There. Measure 18, you come in back here like you were at the beginning. Then I measure 21, you're here. And again, on the 2 Fs, use 4th finger on the half note. This way you're in position for this. During the rest, on measure 24, you come up. And on the last C, the last note, it doesn't matter what finger you use, just use a finger. You can stay there if you want, use 4th finger, you can use thumb, you can do whichever, just use a finger. Left hand, well, chord, C chord, then the F chord, C chord, F chord, oh boy. Measure 6 is 5/7 chord, G7 chord, and then here, E, measure 7, E, G. Yeah. Okay. Measure 12, you gotta thumb comes up. Just actually here the whole hand's coming up to here. Because in measure 16 is 2nd finger, and then going on you get a here, and then now you can come back down for measure 19 to the chords again. Put the hands together here, here, and then here. Reach down to the E. Remember 4th finger for the half note, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. There, measure 7 and 8. We need to play the rest accurately. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the next one here, the right hand comes up. Rest, and you repeat back up. Measure 11, you're here. 1, 2, 3. A G and a B. Left hand comes back down, like so. So you go through and put the hands together, and then go back through the trouble spots and get rid of the hesitation, so it's a steady beat. Nice and slow is fine, but steady. And we can add the articulation. Our staccatos, just whoop, coming up. Be careful when you do this. The tendency when you come up is to accent it. See? Don't. just come up, play it short, but don't accent. Connect this, and the left hand gets staccato. Here and here at the wrist. So you go through and put in the staccatos and slurs and all that, accents, whatever. At the end, you get a staccato and an accent. Both hands are the same. Just a little louder than wherever you were. Speaking of loudness, for dynamics, it's moderately loud or mezzo forte. That's the melody. Whatever you think sort of loud is. It's not loud, it's just sort of loud. The left hand needs to be soft. And then at the bottom of the page, the last note, the C, that comes down to moderately soft here. This whole part here, pick up to measure, this is softer here. And lift up here, it's like taking a breath, new. And then come back up to moderately loud. And up to loud. And that accented note, measure 18, the half note, that's going to be very loud because of the accent. And then moderately loud like you were at the beginning. The left hand is still soft here. So that's basically how it is. At the end, they want it loud. And you can bring the left hand up here. This is the next to the last measure here. All the time I'm playing this, I want to hear that. That's the melody. And then the last one, both hands are the same. Loud. Very loud. And short. Boom. Don't stiffen up and play with stiff wrist. Boom. Keep it soft. Flexible. Relaxed. Sort of. Speed, well, lively with a swing. Well, that's actually two different things. Let's talk about them. Lively is happy, fun. If you were going to sing it, how fast? Lively. And then with a swing, simply means play it with a swing style. And a swing style means the counting, we're going to swing the counting. It's not going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. It's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We're going to play it that way. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 1 and 2. 4 and 1 and 2. Only the eighth notes. That's all we're swinging here. Not a lot of eighth notes in it, but that's swing. If I played this 10 times, I'd play it different every single time. So don't copy me. You have to make it yours, and it has to be accurate. So don't go faster than what you can play accurately. Important. Let's play it together very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. I will swing the eighth notes, 1 and 2 and 3 in. I'm not going to do any dynamics. Just the staccatos and slurs will do that. And I'm going to play both hands sort of the same. I need you to hear everything. You should be playing the same notes I'm playing at the same time I'm playing them. And that's all this is for. So I'll give us 3 counts because we come in on beat 4. 1 and ready and go and 2 and 2, rest. Repeat. And 4, 4, and 4, and 3, 2. This is the second ending, by the way. Go on. 3. 1, 2, 3. Rest.